Hello. Next, I will show you the setting video of the S30. So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hash to enter the system settings mode. Enter administrator password. The initialized administrator password is 1 to 6. Press hash to confirm entry. Press 1 for administrator settings. Press 1 to add an administrator. Password information needs to be entered twice. Press hash to confirm. Enter again. Press hash to confirm. Fingerprint information needs to be entered 5 times. Just enter the card information once. Setup completed. The above are all the steps of how to set up the video on the S30.